Hey, Bilo, how's your forecast now as we head into the weekend?
Yeah, it's a cold night outside, although, it's a typical February night outside.
Okay.
We just haven't had very many of these.
We sure haven't.
So far this month of February. In fact, let's take a look at what we saw earlier today. This is from Villanova University, and you can see some flakes were flying. I know you said you saw them as well,
I did.
Yuki. I saw them out my window. A few flurries here and there. Well, guess what? It was enough that we actually recorded a trace of snow at the airport, which normally is not a big deal, but it's the first time that any snow at all was recorded at the airport in the month of February this year.
How about that? It's been that kind of winter.
So today was our biggest snowstorm of February.
I didn't even get to the grocery store.
Flying there, it was a rough one. Hopefully you stocked up on the bread and milk outside. But yeah, the first time we've had snow reported this month. Let's take a look at what it's doing outside right now. Temperatures are in the mid-30s, and you can see it feels like a little colder than that. It feels like 28. Winds are still a bit brisk, but not as windy as last night. Winds are out of the west-northwest at 12 miles per hour. Another bitter blast on the way tonight as temperatures do plummet into the mid-20s by morning. Lighter winds, wind chills in the teens still, though. Just a cold winter night, pretty seasonable. We are still seeing a few flurries here and there, especially across south central Pennsylvania, not really in our region. There were a few flurries and a couple of sprinkles across southern Delaware. Those have started to fizzle, but again, a trace was reported today at Philadelphia International Airport, and it was a bit of a record spoiler because being that it's the first recorded snow this month, coming on the 28th day of the month, if we had gotten through tomorrow without any snow reported, it would have been the first snowless February on record ever since records have been kept over 100 years in Philadelphia. But looks like we've got that trace, so it spoiled that record for us. For your Saturday, you can see just a few snow showers or flurries drifting in, especially in the north and west suburbs. Not everywhere, but you may see one. It's thanks to the west-northwest winds blowing over the Great Lakes. 38 degrees cold and a chance for a snow shower. A sunny and breezy start to March on Sunday at 45 degrees. And again, snow showers, they'll be isolated, tapping into that moisture from the Great Lakes, but we are not expecting any accumulation. After a cold start to the weekend with morning wind chills in the teens, we moderate a bit on Sunday. 40s at least return to the area. Monday, look at that warm up there, that darker orange shading. Highs in the mid to upper 50s. And then by Tuesday and Wednesday, we rocket into the 60s briefly as our next chance of rain moves in. So it's cold but dry through the weekend. As temperatures rise, so do those percentage of precipitation chances as we get into next week. And it looks like Tuesday and Wednesday, the two warmest days, will also be the two wettest days. Monday looks generally quiet, a few more clouds, but 57 degrees, not bad at all. 60 Tuesday with showers, warm and rainy Wednesday, and then we cool down a little bit again by the end of next week. Could even be a stray rain or snow shower late Thursday into Friday. But I'll tell you, there's a little bit of everything. We've got everything from the 30s, 40s, 50s, and 60s in the forecast over the next 5 days.
Mid-60s, that is wild. Thank you, Kate.